In this video, I will tell you how to migrate organization data to Virto Commerce. So first of all, you need to export initial file from the master system, then download the template from Virto Commerce, clean and rename columns in the initial file, and then import it to Virto Commerce contact module. So I've used the Dynamics 365 installation to demonstrate how it works. So we go to account module, then we download all the accounts to Excel file and convert it to CSV. Then we need to download the template file from Virto Commerce. So we go to contact module, select the organization to export and click export. So system will offer us to download two files with contacts and with organizations. We need to download organizations file that contains all the headers that we can use for further columns mapping. Now we need to remove all the useless data from the initial master data file and rename columns in it to make it clear for Virto Commerce. So on the left side you can see the initial master data file. So first of all, we terminate all the data that we don't need to import. And after that, we need to copy and paste the proper column names from the left side. Luckily, it is in the right order there. So now we need to save the initial file to CSV format. And now the file is ready to be imported. So now let's import the file to Virto Commerce contact module. We go to the contact module and now we click import. Well, we are going to import these organizations to the root. So we select the organization's data type, we select the file to import. System verifies if the file size is okay. Then we may preview the file. If we would like, we can manage column, but it's not required right now. So we click import, confirm it, and system reports that 8 lines or 8 organizations were successfully created. Let's find these organizations. So here they are. We can see that organizations are empty, there are no contacts there. And we may also check that all the data that we had in the file uploaded successfully. So the email is there, the organization name is there. So it seems everything goes perfect. Now let's see what would happen if you have some errors in the import file. First of all, let's create a file that contains some errors. So we will take the same file and add their column with the name address line 1. We have such column in the template. So let's see how import will process it. So again, we select organization data type, we select the file, we make a preview. And in this preview, you may see that now we have 5 columns instead of 4. Let's initiate import. And you may see that system reports us about errors. So how can we know what actually happens there? We need to download the error report. The report is actually the same file that you have imported before, but one more column appears there. First column now contains error description. In this case, system informs us that it's not enough information in the file to create the new address that we've mentioned there. So now you know how to import organizations to Virto Commerce, then you need to import contacts and start working with the system.